welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Hedera hashgraph cryptocurrencies in a crypto market. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button and hit my 2k subscriber. Now let's see the live price prediction of Hedera hashgraph. As you can see now on the screen, the change is a negative. Oh my god, it's really a bad news for all Hedera holders, but I'm sorry to say that that's the reality of Hedera in the previous last 1 hour. The change is negative 1.72% change in the Hedera hashgraph you are watching now, but don't worry, now currently the Hedera hashgraph are going upward. As you can see here, that is the jumping time of Hedera hashgraph. As you can see here, the high price of Hedera hashgraph in the previous 1 hour is $0.342643 is the high price of Hedera hashgraph in the previous 1 hour. As you can see here, that is the current price of Hedera hashgraph $0.336626 is the current price of Hedera hashgraph in the previous 1 hour. Now let's see the live price prediction of 2 hour. What's going in the last 2 hour of Hedera hashgraph in the market of cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, in the previous 2 hour, their falling down is start. Their falling is start in the previous 2 hour, and currently they are again falling down. As you can see here, the change in the previous 2 hour of Hedera hashgraph is negative 2.28% change in the previous 2 hour of Hedera hashgraph in the cryptocurrencies market. And the high price of Hedera hashgraph in the previous 2 hour is $0.342847 is the high price of Hedera hashgraph in the previous 2 hour. So that's the live price prediction of Hedera hashgraph in the previous 2 hour, 1 hour. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please kindly click the subscribe button right now and hit my 2k subscriber. Thank you so much.